I call you up in the middle of the night, been bothered by dreams, ain't feeling alright. You give me comfort, say just give it some time. By the end of our talk, I'm feeling just fine. You and I will always know where we belong. This ain't no ordinary love we got going on. I pick you up in my 59 Ford.
Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today is going to be another day in the life. I'm just trying to get stuff done around the house. Right now I have some laundry going, got some sheets and some clothes, and I've got towels to do.
You and I, we're trouble in sight. Beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life.
So on this day we had just finished breakfast and I had started the laundry earlier, and now I'm just going to go through here and get some of these clothes folded and put away. So this video is going to be kind of like a chatty clean with me.
God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope. 'Cause I'm in love, you're a star burning bright in my heart. We're going away. Get your bag, check the
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life.
So I'm just getting these clothes folded. I've got to keep laundry moving today. We actually have some friends coming tomorrow for most of this week, so we're excited about that and just trying to get our house straightened up a little bit, particularly upstairs, which upstairs is our office, but it's also our guest room. So I like that because it's used every day. In our old house, we had a guest room that really we didn't use very much at all. And unless we had a guest, which was rare there, then nobody really used it. So, but anyway, I've got to work on the upstairs since it's our office and Gary's up there every day. It definitely needs to be cleaned, but we are on a week break, so we do school year round, and because of that, I wanted us to take a break before Katie starts her college classes. So right now she's, I think, close to about halfway finished with her Abeka economics class, and that's all she's been working on this summer. Sophie has just about finished her math book from last year. I think she has 4 or 5 lessons left, so she'll be moving on to her next math book. But we're taking this whole week off of school, and then once we start back, we'll be starting back basically 5 days a week. Katie has, next week she has orientation for one of her colleges that she's going to be doing classes with. That's the one where she's going to be going in person for one of the classes. So she has that orientation, then the following week she starts back to her classes. So she'll be doing classes on campus Tuesday and Thursday. And then the other classes that she's doing, those are online, so they're asynchronous, meaning that she can just kind of do them whenever. So we had to get Sophie's therapy rearranged because of Katie's classes, because Sophie was originally doing therapy on Tuesday and Wednesday, and so now she's only going to be doing therapy on Wednesday. So her speech therapist thought that she was doing well enough where she can go down to 1 day a week, and then we're just moving her OT on to Wednesday because I can't get Katie to class and do therapy with Sophie. And as y'all probably know, Gary travels for work fairly frequently, so I can't really guarantee that he can be here to be with Sophie. So I know at some point the online therapy allowance is through, Sophie's on Tefra Medicaid, so at some point they'll quit paying for that and say that it has to be in person. And when that happens, we will have to find new therapists because our therapists are still up in Lexington. So kind of waiting for that to happen. So I'm honestly surprised that that hasn't happened already. But I hope y'all had a great summer. It's really finally heated up here. It's been so mild and nice, but now it's really hot. It's supposed to cool back down this week. But unfortunately, we're supposed to get a whole lot of rain, so I'm hoping we don't get too much rain because our friends would obviously like to spend some time outside and at the pool and at the beach, so hopefully we won't get too much rain. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this laundry put up, and then I'm gonna get my kitchen straightened up, and then I need to work on my upstairs, Gary's office slash guest room, work on that bathroom and bedroom, and I need to clean up our homeschool area. So I've just got to kind of continue moving forward and straightening and cleaning. Now I'm loading the dishwasher and just cleaning up my kitchen, washing my pans, and getting everything put up from breakfast so that I can move on to some other cleaning.
Tomorrow you get another chance.
So I'm still kind of learning how to deal with this flat stovetop. We had a gas range at the other house, and I kind of felt like I was better at cleaning that. It seems like things always get burned on here, and right now I'm using Dawn Power Wash to clean it with just a sponge, and that seems to work okay. Let me know if y'all have any better ideas for how to clean that stovetop. I'm just going to go ahead and clean these sinks really good. I use a sponge and the Dawn Power Wash, and then usually what I will do is spray them with an antibacterial cleaner and just let it sit on the stainless steel until I rinse it off, just so that the antibacterial stuff will work. Usually what I use is that Windex that you see in the picture there, the yellow bottle. It's like an antibacterial cleaner, and it also is kind of like a glass cleaner as well. It's a multi-surface. So I feel like it works okay on stainless steel because it can kind of leave a shine. Now I am moving on to something that I do far too little, and that is clean the window on this back door. We have a lot of bugs outside. There's like a light just outside of there, and so we end up with just a lot of like dead bugs on this door. It really gets gross, and just for some reason I don't think about cleaning it a whole lot. So I saw how bad it was and decided to go ahead and clean it. And I guess that's also the point when I finally noticed that I was still wearing my apron, because apparently at this point I took it off. But now I am in our little guest bathroom. It's just like a little powder bath, and I'm going to go ahead and clean this bathroom.
I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. Please don't take this the wrong way. I'm on your side through the worst days. I just have to say I miss my best friend, seeing her smile. Still I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out.
Now I've moved on to the master bathroom, and I'm going to clean the vanities and also the bathtub. I actually did the shower and the floors and everything too, but I also lost a little bit of footage here. My camera battery died, and I had some frames that were lost. So you'll just see me cleaning part of this, and then I'm going to be moving to the upstairs bedroom.
So count to 10, take a deep breath. This is the only way you'll ever find out that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. It won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sunday.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done the shit.
Now I'm upstairs in our office and guest room. I'm going to dust and vacuum in here. I had already changed the sheets and cleaned the bathroom up here. And at this point, it's getting pretty late. It's actually after supper time. And so I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this up.
Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way where my map is.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I hope that this video gave you some cleaning motivation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
But I'm still stuck with